Take a look at this new 2013 GMC Sierra 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. The Sierra 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, GVWR, 7,000 pounds, 3175 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing SV flex fuel with active fuel management, transmission, 6-speed automatic, convenience package, PowerTech package, tires, P265/65 R18 on off-road, white outlined leather, wheels, 4/18 inches x8, 45.7 cm x 20.3 cm, chrome-clad aluminum, 6-spoke, and the suspension package, off-road. Call 888-852-1606 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.